Have you ever imagined a reality where your deepest desires are not just fantasies, but tangible experiences you're already living? Welcome to the world of quantum jumping. This isn't a mystical realm, but a scientific possibility grounded in the theories of quantum physics, suggesting that every dream you harbor is not only attainable, but already exists in a parallel dimension of your consciousness. Quantum jumping is a manifestation technique rooted in the principles of quantum mechanics and the law of attraction. It offers a gateway to traverse alternate universes, allowing you to harness their unique energy levels to amplify your manifestation power. This method is built on the understanding that our universe is but one in an infinite multiverse. Each universe possesses its distinct vibrational signature, and by aligning with these vibrations, we can manifest with unprecedented potency. Imagine navigating through parallel realities where your desires have already come to fruition. Quantum jumping presents this transformative process, offering a bridge to the reality where every aspiration is realized. It's about mentally inhabiting a universe where your goals are already achieved, thereby inviting that reality into your present existence. This technique leverages the power of the mind and connects with the vast, interconnected quantum field. It affirms that everything in existence, from the smallest particle to the grandest cosmic entity, is woven from the same fabric of energy and consciousness. In this interconnected cosmos, every choice we make opens the door to a new reality. Amidst the infinite possibilities that surround us, quantum jumping posits that we possess the capability to tune into the reality of our choosing, much like selecting a level in a video game to explore and master. This process is deeply intertwined with the law of attraction, suggesting that our focused intention and belief can draw our desires into physical existence. Quantum jumping, then, is an advanced manifestation method, harnessing quantum principles to navigate the field of potential and bring about our desired outcomes with grace and ease. Quantum jumping offers a bridge to the reality where every aspiration is realized. So, how does one undertake a quantum leap and jump into a new reality, you might ask? Well, the process of quantum jumping starts with setting a clear intention. It's like setting the destination on your GPS before embarking on a journey. Whether it's a personal goal, a career milestone, or a spiritual aspiration, the first step is to crystallize your intention, to know exactly where you want to go. Once your intention is set, the next step is immersive visualization. This is where you mentally inhabit the universe where your goals are already achieved. You're not just daydreaming or imagining, you're living and breathing in this reality. You're feeling the joy, the success, the fulfillment that comes with achieving your goal. You're experiencing the sights, sounds, and sensations of your desired reality as if it were your current reality. This immersive visualization is a powerful tool in quantum jumping, as it bridges the gap between the reality you're in and the reality you want to be in. Now, this is where things get really interesting. The process of quantum jumping doesn't just leverage the power of the mind, it also connects with the vast, interconnected quantum field. This field, also known as the field of potential, is the fabric of existence. It's the energy and consciousness that underlies everything in the universe, from the smallest particle to the grandest cosmic entity. By aligning with this field, you're tapping into an infinite source of potential. You're not just manifesting your desires, you're actually shifting your consciousness to a parallel reality where your desires are already manifested. You're not creating something out of nothing, you're simply choosing a different reality from the infinite possibilities that exist in the quantum field. So quantum jumping is really about making conscious choices. It's about choosing the reality you want to experience and aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with that reality. Remember, in this interconnected cosmos, every choice we make opens the door to a new reality. The power to change our reality lies within us, waiting to be tapped into. Quantum jumping is a powerful tool, a manifestation technique that goes beyond the ordinary. It's not just about asking the universe for what you want. It's about aligning yourself with an alternate reality where you already have what you desire. It's about tapping into the infinite potential that exists within the quantum field. This method is deeply intertwined with the law of attraction, a principle that suggests that like attracts like. Our thoughts, our emotions, our beliefs, they all contribute to the reality we experience. When we focus on our desires with a clear intention and a firm belief, we emit a strong vibrational frequency that resonates with the energy of our desires. This frequency acts like a magnet, drawing our desires from the realm of potential into our physical reality. But quantum jumping takes this concept a step further. It doesn't just attract our desires to us, it takes us to our desires. It enables us to navigate the quantum field, to traverse the myriad alternate realities that exist in this infinite multiverse. In one of these realities, our desires have already come to fruition. Quantum jumping allows us to align ourselves with this reality, to tap into its vibrational frequency, and to pull this reality into our current existence. This is a powerful technique, and it's not to be taken lightly. It requires a deep understanding of quantum principles, a firm belief in the law of attraction, and a clear, focused intention. But when practiced correctly, it can bring about profound changes in our lives. It can help us manifest our desires with an ease and a grace that is truly remarkable. Quantum jumping is about more than just manifesting what we want. It's about realizing that we are not separate from the universe. We are part of it. We're interconnected with everything that exists. We have the power to shape our reality, to navigate the field of potential, to bring about the changes we desire. Quantum jumping is about navigating the field of potential and bringing about our desired outcomes with grace and ease. The roots of quantum jumping are deep, grounded in ancient wisdom and modern science alike. This dynamic manifestation technique that many of us understand today is a blend of age-old spiritual practices and contemporary quantum physics. The origins of quantum jumping take us back to the teachings of Dr. Amit Goswami, a theoretical quantum physicist, and other spiritual luminaries. Dr. Goswami, known for his work in quantum mechanics, proposed the idea that our consciousness can access alternate realities through focused intention and meditation. He suggested that we are not bound by the limitations of our physical senses, but rather, we can venture into the realm of potential outcomes, exploring the infinite possibilities that lie within the quantum field. While this technique may seem a modern concept, it resonates strongly with ancient Eastern spiritual practices. For centuries, meditation has been viewed as a conduit to deeper realms of awareness, a bridge that allows us to connect with the vast cosmic consciousness. The practice of quantum jumping aligns seamlessly with this ancient wisdom, reminding us that we are part of a larger, interconnected cosmos. In the Eastern philosophies, meditation is more than a tool for relaxation. It's a pathway to self-discovery and transformation. It's a practice that enables us to tap into the latent capabilities of our psyche, opening us up to new dimensions of existence. Quantum jumping builds on this premise, offering us a method to navigate these dimensions and manifest our desires. By diving into meditation and harnessing the power of visualization, we can mentally construct our desired reality with vivid detail and emotional depth. This process of quantum jumping, as taught by Dr. Goswami and others, allows us to bypass the constraints of our current reality and connect with the infinite potentialities that exist in the quantum field. So quantum jumping is not merely a manifestation technique, it's a testament to the enduring wisdom of ancient practices and the breakthroughs of modern science. It's an exploration of the limitless potential that lies within each of us. Quantum jumping is a testament to the latent capabilities of the human psyche. The journey of quantum jumping begins with a single step into the realm of potential. To embark on this journey, the first step is to achieve a state of deep relaxation and mental clarity. It's not about escaping from your current reality, but setting aside its distractions to fully engage with the quantum field. Imagine yourself stepping into a tranquil garden where the only sounds are the gentle rustle of leaves and the soft whisper of the wind. This is your inner sanctuary, a serene space where you can connect with the vast interconnected cosmos. Once you've entered this state of profound relaxation, the next step is to set a crystal clear intention. What is it that you wish to manifest? A successful career, a harmonious relationship, or perhaps a state of inner peace? Be as specific as you can, for the quantum field responds to the precision of your intention. Now comes the most transformative part of the process, visualization. This is not mere daydreaming, but a powerful act of creation. Picture your desired reality with vivid detail and emotional depth. Imagine yourself living this reality, feeling the joy, the fulfillment, and the sense of accomplishment that comes with it. See yourself interacting with this reality, touching it, tasting it, smelling it. The more real it feels to you, the more potent your quantum jump will be. Remember, quantum jumping is not about getting something from the universe. It's about resonating with a reality where your desires have already come to fruition. You're not pulling your dreams towards you, but aligning yourself with the reality where they are already a part of your life. This process may require practice and patience, but rest assured, each quantum jump you make brings you one step closer to your desired reality. And with each jump, you're not only transforming your life, but also expanding your consciousness, connecting with the infinite possibilities that the universe has to offer. By mastering quantum jumping, you invite the reality of your dreams into your present existence.